Hello, thank you for choosing Brother. My name is Brendan, and today I'll show you how to replace the toner in your MFCL2740DW. These instructions also apply to the MFCL2720DW. Your printer can use a Brother TN630 or TN660 cartridge. Be sure to have one ready. We'll start by removing the empty toner. Open the toner cover on the printer, remove the cartridge, and press the green lever to separate the toner and drum. Be sure to keep the drum. Next, we'll open the new toner. It should be in a sealed bag. Remove the plastic protector. Next, slide the toner into your drum unit until you feel it click into place. Once the drum and toner are locked together, slide the green tab back and forth several times and return it to the initial position at the far left. Finally, install the assembly into the printer. Close the toner cover and wait for the display to stop showing an error message. And there you have it. Now you know how to replace the toner in your MFCL2740DW.